Okay, I got two things going on. I got this camera going on and I got this GoPro thing going on. So I'm gonna try to do some cool editing and do two shots of everything. Okay, let's take this thing apart. What I would suggest is before you take anything apart, you use your cell phone and take a lot of pictures of how it looks. Can't take too many photos. So just take pictures of how it looks on the outside, and especially all of how this looks, which looks like I got something wrapped around something, you know, because you just want to make sure that everything goes back together the right way and in the right place. So anyway, I'm wasting time on that. Let me get a Phillips screwdriver. I thought I had everything I needed. Alright, because let's see here, this is the relay for the unit. I'm going to put this right back where it goes too, so that I don't have to think too much about where stuff goes. And let's see, might as well before we. Alright, this is the thermocoupler, which goes into it actually pokes right inside the evaporator, and it detects the temperature, and when it reaches 33.8 degrees, it'll tell the compressor to cut off so it doesn't freeze it up. Well, I'm going to take the box apart before I mess with that one. Alright, and all of that is tell you what I'm gonna do and keep up with a lot of things in there. So we're just, don't lose these, they could pop off everywhere. Just clamps, hold everything on. Looks like it's missing one right there. Missing one there too. Good thing I have another one. Okay. Just want to gently take it apart. Okay, that part is free, and you know, we're gonna clean this up really good. That'll be the easy part. All right. All right. Before we pull on that, we need to undo this very gently. We don't want to poke a hole in anything. And there it goes. I'm going to clean that up and paint it to keep it from rusting anymore. Let me get some needle nose. This gently comes out like that. There it is. Okay. Okay, and that's the evaporator. All right, and this again is dirty. I guess I didn't really have to unscrew that. So I'm going to clean all that up. Now this guy, made in USA. I would think this has been replaced at one point because it just looks really good. but we hadn't cleaned it out either. We're going to replace this and this side. I thought I had some foam. I may have to run to the store and buy some, but just use some regular foam you may find at Walmart. It's gray, has self-adhesive backing. This right here, this material, there's a bulb under there, and it detects the temperature of the low side, and it lets it know when to open and close the diaphragm and the expansion valve. That material is important, and I have some over here. I picked it up at an electrical supply store of all places. The self-adhesive, easy to roll on stuff. It's a cork tape, but it's very tacky like tar. It's the same stuff, and you'll want to use it when you take this apart and put it back together. In this video, I just wanted to show how to take it apart, but while I'm at it, in another video we're going to clean it. Or I mean, you know how to clean. Just clean everything up really good, but we're going to focus on cleaning this and flushing it. This is the evaporator. I mean, expansion valve. And when you order it online, some people say, man, it's upside down. I don't know how it goes. Yeah, it is. I'll show you how it goes. They threw an extra one in there. Okay, this one has an arrow going that way. This one has an arrow and it goes that way. And I'll have to refer to some pictures I took when I did my other one, but best I can remember, this one goes that way, you can see it, but this one's going to go this way. It's going to go just like that, and of course you're going to stretch this out and it's going to go right there. Just looks a little different, but the purpose, it does the same. This is actually the bulb that's going to go under here. This one looks different. I'll show you. It's like a real deal bulb thing. That's on there really good. Okay, that's how that looks. We're going to clean this up real good. We're going to save that, probably treat it for rust. And that's how that goes. Alright, let's get to cleaning it.